Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. I have 3 ropes with me. A very heavy jump rope, a 3-pound cross rope, a not too heavy jump rope from cross rope, a quarter-pound cross rope, and finally the very light 5 mm PVC jump rope. In this video, we will see how we have to spin a very heavy jump rope, a not too heavy jump rope, and a very light jump rope. Yes, for all the 3 ropes, we can use the same method of spinning, or we can slightly tweak the method for the heavier ropes. That's what we will see today. We will first start with the light PVC jump rope, and then we will proceed to the not too heavy jump rope and the super heavy jump rope. Come, let's go. So this is the PVC jump rope, one of the first ropes all of us start jumping with. Continues to be one of my favorite jump ropes to date. Simple jump rope, affordable, accessible, and available everywhere. So how do we spin a PVC jump rope? If you notice, the spinning of the rope is mainly controlled by the spinning of the wrist. It's a simple wrist spin which spins the rope. Let me turn around so that you can get a side view and see the spinning of the rope by the wrist. Let me face the camera again. So you see that the spinning of the rope is more from the spinning of the wrist. Now let us go to the next rope, which is the quarter-pound jump rope from cross rope, which is a not too heavy, at the same time not too light rope. This is the quarter-pound rope, not too heavy, not too light, connected to the amp handles. Let us see how we spin this not too heavy, not too light rope. Here again, if you notice, although the rope is significantly heavier than the light PVC jump rope, I continue to use the wrist spin technique. I hope you can see the spinning of the rope from the spinning of the wrist. We are not talking about the jumps and all that. Goes without saying. Low jumps, soft jumps, making only contact with the front portion of our feet, no contact with the heel. So 2 ropes we have seen, the PVC jump rope and the not too heavy, not too light quarter-pound rope. Now we go to the heavy rope. Now we go to the 3rd rope in the list, the heavy 3-pound cross rope, one of the favorite jump ropes from the heavy jump rope segment. A very well made rope, solid, and I'm using the heavy handles which come with the heavy rope. I've also given this rope a few names. One is the Hulk rope because of the green color, and the second name is the Neighbor's Nightmare rope, because when we are spinning this rope, the sound it makes when it contacts the ground or it cuts through the air is like boom, 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 boom. You have to personally hear it to see how loud it is, and if anybody is living below your flat or next to you, it's going to be crazy. I'm taking this video because the neighbor who lives below my flat is not at home. For these heavy ropes, what is the grip? The grip I use is the power grip. Power grip is like this. For the earlier ropes, we were using more of a light grip, which is called the shake hand grip, where the thumb rests on the handle for the flicking action. For the heavy ropes, the grip I use is the power grip. Power grip is something like what we use to grip a cricket bat or a tennis racket, where the thumb comes over the fingers and you've got a solid grip of the handle. See, if you use the light grip, you can still jump, but the strain on the wrist is too much. So let us jump with this now. See, if you notice my wrist, I'm not doing a wrist spin. It's more of a full arm motion where the elbows are locked and the arm is doing a back and forth motion. It's like front, back, front, back, front, back. You heard that sound, right? It's like boom, 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 boom. So the difference is when we are using a lighter rope, we have a slight bend in our elbow and the spin is more from the wrist. For a heavy rope like a 3-pound rope, which is truly heavy, this form of spinning the rope helps us to jump longer, jump faster with a heavy rope. Because if you use a wrist spin for a heavy jump rope like a 3-pound rope, you can immediately feel the strain on your wrist. You can't jump for very long. You can't jump very fast also. And this is a technique I learned from the cross rope coaches. So I'm using it myself. I really like it. So in case you're using a heavy jump rope, try and implement this method of spinning the rope. So it's not like spinning the wrist, it's a back and forth motion. One more time, side view. So that's how we spin a heavy rope. I hope you liked the video. Enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and do leave your comments, question, feedback in the comment section. Till we see you in the next video. Bye bye.